Hi, this is Bob again from Boating with Big Bob, and welcome to the second video in my series concerning our summer cruise to the Canaries on board CMV ship Columbus. This video concerns our first day at sea and some of the things we enjoyed on ship, particularly the bazaar that the ship's crew put on the first morning. I hope you enjoy this video.
Firstly, here we find the Atrium area, and they will be preparing, I'm sure, they're preparing down there for a bazaar. We were up here last night and just waiting to meet the captain. We're looking down now. Yes, I espy that they have some tasting things there. Yes, and there are shops. This is the jewellery store, and Carol looking at the jewellery. Come on out of there! Come on! Okay, you look. We will carry on, and let's see what we can see down in the Atrium area. See what is going on. This is one of the activities on this sea day. We're spending all day at sea, and so the crew are trying to put some things on, and this is one of them. 11 o'clock, going down, as you can see here. Food demonstrations, drinks demonstrations, spa. So let's go and see if we can talk to some of the people down here. Maybe they can explain exactly what is going on and what they are doing, what they have to offer on this cruise. Just to remind you, this is CMV Columbus Cruise and Maritime, and this all looks very interesting. So let's see if we can find out what is going on here. Yeah, food. This is a reception area. Busy place at the moment. And these are oils, not wines, as I thought. Okay, young man. I'm doing a cruise vlog. I do a bit of vlogging about cruises, and we're really enjoying this cruise. Would you like to just explain what is going on today here? What are you doing?
We have like special bazaar today.
Yeah.
In the Atrium, we are selling some shops products for 50% and 20% discount. So
right.
We have some perfume, we have some teddy bears, we have some tea, coffee shops.
What is your best seller?
We have the best seller for the jewelry shop.
Sure.
We have some watches, nice ones. We have
But you're selling this where down here?
we cannot bring the watches down.
Yeah, oh, right, that's right. Okay. Well, hope you have a good day. Thank you for talking with us. Okay, moving along. This is the official photographer here. I'm the totally unofficial. Good morning.
Morning, not only photographer but videographer too.
You're doing videos, right?
Yeah.
So just tell me, I do a bit of a travel vlog.
Yeah.
So would I say, what are you offering on Columbus in the way of photographic services?
We have now photo gallery on deck number 7, so we have many products for you, especially this DVD. We have like movie. It's 1 hour long.
All right.
You can. It's all about highlights of our cruise. It's our excursion, our most visited place.
Yeah.
And
I've ordered that already. I'm looking forward to that.
Yes, it's amazing. Our main point of concentration, or how to say, it's to emotions that our passenger express when they during excursion. It's a lovely place that you can visit with this lovely company.
Fantastic. Your name? Valerie.
Yes, I'm
in
from
charge
Ukraine.
of
So
Ukraine.
excuse me for my a bit limited English, but I'm from Ukraine and sometimes I make mistake.
Great. Okay, nice to meet you, Valerie.
Yes.
Keep
nice
up the
to
good
meet you.
work.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
More jewellery.
This one is
Ah, spa treatments and things.
we use this for months and months, even years, because
So you're from Jade Spa, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
because it's thick
Let's have a look around. Busy little place. People seem to be enjoying. Over there is Hemingway's, which is another specialty coffee shop. Should you want something other than the general coffee? And here we have the drinks. You can buy packages for the drinks. I'm not sure. I think they're around about £23 per day per person for the drinks packages. Which is, well, this gentleman here seems to be doing some fruit sculpturing. I'm not sure what he's sculpturing. It looks a bit like a newly, a big radish.
Yes, similar white.
Anh muốn cái người đẹp này murah murah pun
Very good. All the food here, sort of things. Here's my friend from last night. How are you,
Yes,
sir?
sir. Excellent.
I'm doing a vlog. I do a travel vlog.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just videoing. Tell us a bit about what's going on here and what you have to offer in food on Columbus.
All right. This is, we call it bazaar.
Bazaar.
Yeah. It's everything, all the food from different place to place, like grill. And
This is the speciality, is it? Yeah.
specialty restaurant.
That's the brochure.
Oh, this is the brochure for the grill, yes.
Yes.
That's for the grill, and behind you have an Indian fusion.
Indian fusion.
Yes.
Which do you recommend?
I recommend both.
You recommend both?
One day grill, one day Indian fusion.
One day, well, very good. So this is just to show what is on offer around the ship.
Yes.
Yeah. And he's giving a taster here.
Yes. Free taste.
We'll have a chat with what is our friend's name? This is Mr. Gopal.
Yes.
And I gather Mr. Gopal is from India. So what do you have on offer here, Mr. Gopal? What do you cook?
Butter chicken masala.
Butter chicken masala. Is it good? The best? Looking very good. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm very good, and you are
Yoginda.
now Yogi. Where do you come from, Mr. Yoginda?
I came from all the way from India, the part of Goa.
Goa.
Goa, yes.
Which part of Goa? We know Goa very, very well.
South side.
South side.
South side. Near Margao.
Margao.
Margao, yes.
We've been to Margao many, many, many times.
Wow, that's amazing.
So Margao's got a very interesting market. Yeah.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's a crowded market, but it's very like it's like amazing. Like once you go to the market actually, and you will gonna see everything's like entire everything like what we have, full of Goan, the dishes and everything.
So does Mr. Gopal do a nice traditional Goan vindaloo?
That's we have to talk to him actually.
Ah.
Specialized he's for the
North Indians, yeah.
like chicken, like butter chicken, like the tandoor and everything.
Yeah.
Actually, he's handling the all tandoor, like kebabs and all.
But you can back me up there. Every time we go to Goa, I love the vindaloo, and people in England think vindaloo is just really, really spicy. But
That's amazing.
true Goan vindaloo is not. It's just very tasty, isn't it?
Yes. We have our like the Goan chef as well. They make the lovely like the Goan
Yeah, yeah.
vindaloo and like the Goan food. And it's very hot, very spicy as well.
Yeah.
So let me just tell you about this.
Okay, you tell me what you have on.
So basically, this is what we serve in our Indian fusion restaurant,
Yeah.
and it's like a 3-course menu.
Yes.
So what we do is basically we take the half part of the buffet and we set up the Indian restaurant.
Yeah, I've seen that.
So as an appetizer, what we serve is like a butter chicken tikka masala, lamb kebab, the cottage cheese samosa, along with the freshly mint sauce and the mango chutney, and the naan bread.
Yeah.
Then after that, you can choose the delicious main course, which we have like a lamb ragan josh. It's like a glazed prawns. It's a prawns curry. Then the butter chicken tikka masala. Then the vegetarian labab dar and the thali. the best thing is for the thali is like
Thali, wow.
it comes 6 kind of dishes in one plate. So what you serve along with is like a freshly basmati rice with freshly naan bread in it, papadums, pickle, and the salad. And then after that we have a very mouth-watering the sweet dessert, which is
Halva.
jalebi, gulab jamun,
Jalebi, yeah.
the carrot pudding, the dates coated with white chocolate, and inside it has a Baileys. And we have the very nice.
That's not traditional Indian Baileys.
It's an Indian feature. That's what we say.
Future, yeah.
And then we have the Indian ice cream, which we say kulfi.
Coffee, yeah.
Yeah, kulfi.
Fantastic.
So it's really worth it for like a £4.90. What the price is for that?
Yeah. Very good.
And we have the lovely chef as well, like Gopal and Mahindra. He's taking care of this thing, what we make, like a butter chicken, and the lamb kebab. Especially he's in the clay oven, the outside.
Yeah.
He make the naan bread and everything, with all freshly everything. And we have one.
He's very shy with the camera, I can see.
That's amazing, sir.
Yeah. So, are you giving a taster of the butter chicken?
Absolutely.
You cannot say what it's like until you've tasted it, can you?
Absolutely, sir.
So I'm going to give a taste of this, and I'll let you know afterwards.
Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did enjoy the video and liked it, then please give the video a like. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Again, we will be having another general video regarding this cruise coming up very shortly, and that will be followed by some specific videos regarding the ports of call that we made on this particular cruise. Again, hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, take care.